The KSU East Jaintia Hills District unit, via its education cell, held a meeting with Swapnil Tembe, the Director of School Education and Literacy (DSEL), and R.S. Manar of the Directorate of Educational Research and Training, Government of Meghalaya. The purpose was to inform them about the educational difficulties faced at the Rymbai Govt Secondary School and the residential school, along with the Block Institute of Teachers Education in East Jaintia Hills District. Tomba Bamon, the Assistant Education Secretary of the KSU East Jaintia Hills unit, revealed that the Rymbai Govt Secondary School, the sole school in the district supported by the state government, lacks a full-time science teacher. During a recent union inspection, it was observed that the classrooms were insufficient for the number of students and there was no science and computer laboratories. This inspection followed complaints from the public. Bamon urged the authorities to address this issue and explore the possibility of elevating the secondary school to a higher secondary level. The Director of Educational Research and Training, Government of Meghalaya, Swapnil Tembe, stated that upgrading the Rymbai Govt Secondary School to a higher secondary school would entail extensive discussions with the concerned department. Regarding the residential school and non-functional Block Institute of Teachers Education at Bandihati, Tomba Bamon informed that the residential school lacks proper building infrastructure and the Block Institute of Teachers Education has been inactive for approximately 8 years. Hence, the union has urged upon the directors of the DSEL and the DERT to consider the plea of the people of East Jaintia Hills by upgrading these two institutes to meet the educational needs of the area and its surroundings. The members had previously submitted a memorandum to the chairman of the Estate Committee, Meral Bonds Aim, for information and consideration of the district's demands. The director of the DSEL, Swapnil Tembe, expressed gratitude to the members of the KSU East Jaintia Hills unit for informing him about the educational challenges faced by the people of East Jaintia Hills and assured them of a follow-up on the matter for the benefit of the general public.